And in this video tutorial I will show you how to make this decorative edge with picots, scallops. We call them scallops with picots. So in order to make for you this scallop, each scallop consists of 6 arches. At first you create a foundation of arches all the way throughout your entire piece that you need. It's really long for me because this is for the dress, and it goes under the bust area and circumference of that area. So my chain is really long. For practicing, you can take a smaller chain and at first make 1 row of single crochet stitches over the packing cord, and then on that build a row of arches. The row of arches has to be multiple of 3, so you have to have each scallop is built on foundation of 3 arches, 1, 2 and 3, and then we go up. So how to make this one? After you finish with foundation arches 1, 2 and 3, you come in back, and the next row you crochet this way. So first we're doing the first arch. We'll make 3 single crochet stitches, 2 and 3. Crochet tight, it's very important that your edge will look nice and crisp. Then picot. Each picot in this pattern consists of chain 4 and close picot with slip stitch. Many of you don't like to close picots with slip stitch. If this is difficult, try single crochet, but make sure that your single crochet stitch that you close picot with really tight. Now finishing, so we have 3 single crochet stitches picot. Now we have 4 single crochet stitches, 3 and 4. Next arch, now we go on to the next arch in the middle and crochet 5 single crochet stitches into this arch, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The next arch, we will crochet here partially, only 3 single crochet stitches, 1, 2 and 3. After that we are going to crochet backwards, and this time we are making chains, 2 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chain 6, remove hook from the last stitch and insert hook into the middle arch, right in the middle, into that 3rd stitch. Pick up chain, the last stitch from the chain, and move this stitch out through this area, through the stitch, through the middle. After that, crochet another arch, 6 stitches, chain 6, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Again remove hook, insert hook in the stitch right before or after picot, reconnect again with the last stitch of the chain, pull it through, and now we will crochet around those 2 arches. First arch, we crochet 3 single crochet stitches, 2, 3, then we make picot, 1, 2, 3, 4, close picot with slip stitch or single crochet, and finish here with 4 stitches, 2, 3 and 4. Next arch, the second arch, we will again crochet only partially. We will make 3 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3. And after that we will build up and make the last arch. So now we're going again backwards. Crochet, chain 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remove hook and insert hook right before the picot. Reconnect. The stitch, last stitch from the chain, and pull it through. And crochet the last arch this way. Make 1, 2, 3. Be very tight here. If you notice that you cannot fit stitches that the way I tell you, we will crochet here. The pattern for the last arch is 3 single crochet stitches picot, then again 3 single crochet stitches picot, and finish with 3 single crochet. If you are noticing that you cannot fit this, so begin with 2 single crochet stitches picot, then 3 single crochet stitches picot, and finish with 2. So instead of 3, 3, 3, make 2, 3, 2. Those small little stitches with fine thread can play a big difference. So we started 3 single crochet stitches, then picot. Then this one will have 2 picots. One picot, then again 1, 2, 3 single crochet, again picot, 1, 2, 3, 4, close picot with slip stitch, and finish with 3 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, and 3. So what is left here? We have to finish this unfinished arches that we have on the left side, and they also will have to have picots right at the beginning. So first we will make, and we have 3 stitches here, right? So what we do, we make single crochet here at first, on the first unfinished arch. After single crochet we make picot, close picot with slip stitch, and 2 more stitches, 1, 1, and 2. This arch is finished, and the next again single crochet picot, four, close the picot with slip stitch, and finish with single crochet stitches at the end. 1 and 2. So this is how you work with the scallops, how you build scallops.